वह अंग्रेजी में अच्छा है। He is good at English. He is good at English. वह मेरे पड़ोस में रहता है। He lives next to me. He lives next to me. किसी की आलोचना मत करो। Don't criticize anyone. Don't criticize anyone. उसे बहुत अकेलापन महसूस हुआ। He felt very lonely. He felt very lonely. हम दोनों को यही लगता है। We both think the same. We both think the same. तुम्हें क्या हुआ है? What's the matter with you? What's the matter with you? मुझे गर्मी का मौसम पसंद नहीं है। I don't like summer. I don't like summer. मैं उससे पूछना भूल गया। I forgot to ask him. I forgot to ask him. तुम पूरी तरह से भीग गए हो। You are completely drenched. You are completely drenched. मुझे जोखिम लेना पसंद नहीं है। I hate taking risks. I hate taking risks. माफ कीजिए मुझे देरी हो गई। Sorry I got late. Sorry I got late. वह दिखने में बहुत अमीर लगता है। He seems to be rich. He seems to be rich. वह जल्दी ही ठीक हो जाएगा। He will get well soon. He will get well soon. मैं अपनी गलती के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ। I apologize for my mistake. I apologize for my mistake. उसकी हालत बुरी है। He is in a bad state. He is in a bad state. रेलवे स्टेशन यहाँ से कितना दूर है? How far is the railway station from here? How far is the railway station from here? तुमने इसे कैसे बनाया? How did you make it? How did you make it? बिजली चमक रही है। It's thundering. It's thundering. मैंने पुरानी गाड़ी खरीदी। I bought an old car. I bought an old car. वह बहुत चिड़चिड़े स्वभाव का है। He is very short-tempered. He is very short-tempered. रात बहुत अच्छी नींद आई। I had a sound sleep last night. I had a sound sleep last night. यह फटा हुआ है। It's torn. It's torn. ये खुशी के आंसू है। These are tears of happiness. These are tears of happiness. इस विषय पर कोई बात नहीं हुई। This point was not touched. This point was not touched. इस मामले पर सोचूंगा। I will think over this matter. I will think over this matter. वह दुकान मेरे चाचा जी की है। That shop belongs to my uncle. That shop belongs to my uncle. दूध फट गया है। The milk has turned sour. The milk has turned sour. यह मेरी गलती नहीं थी। It was not my fault. It was not my fault. मुझे कुछ खाने के लिए दो। Give me something to eat. Give me something to eat. मुझे तुमसे ऐसी उम्मीद कभी नहीं थी। I never expected this from you. I never expected this from you. मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? कृपया खिड़की खोल दीजिए। Please open the window. Please open the window. वहाँ हम में से कोई नहीं गया। None of us went there. None of us went there. अपने काम पर ध्यान दो। Concentrate on your work. Concentrate on your work. उसने कभी मेरी परवाह नहीं की। He never cared for me. He never cared for me. वह इसके लायक नहीं है। He is not worth it. He is not worth it. पूरी दुनिया उसे जानती है। The whole world knows him. The whole world knows him. कम से कम एक बार तो आओ। Come at least once. Come at least once. मैंने तुमसे कुछ नहीं कहा। I did not say anything to you. I did not say anything to you. तुम लंगड़ा क्यों रहे हो? Why are you limping? Why are you limping? अंदर कोई नहीं है। There is nobody inside. There is nobody inside. क्या आप चेक स्वीकार करते हैं? Do you accept check? Do you accept check? आजकल मेरा हाथ तंग है. I am hard up these days. I am hard up these days. इसका क्या मतलब है? What does it mean? What does it mean? वह ऐसे दिखाता है जैसे वह सब जानता है. He pretends to know everything. He pretends to know everything. क्या ये हंसने का समय है? Is it time to laugh? Is it time to laugh? क्या वहाँ कोई है? Is anyone there? Is anyone there? इतना बहुत है. It is sufficient. It is sufficient. उसे छुट्टी नहीं मिली. He couldn't get leave. He couldn't get leave. क्या देर हो गई है? Is it late? Is it late? आप 1 घंटा देर से हैं. You are late by an hour. You are late by an hour. अपना गुस्सा मुझ पर मत निकालो. Don't take your anger out on me. Don't take your anger out on me. फर्श पर मत थूको. Don't spit on floor. Don't spit on floor. मैंने यह जानबूझकर नहीं किया. I did not do this purposely. I did not do this purposely. गैस खत्म हो गई है. The gas has finished. The gas has finished. क्या तुम अभी तक जाग रहे हो? Are you still awake? Are you still awake? मेरे लिए जगह रखो. Keep a seat for me. Keep a seat for me. मेरा पेन कहीं नहीं मिल रहा है. I can't find my pen anywhere. I can't find my pen anywhere. मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं कहा. I never said that. I never said that. मुझे चाय की आदत है. I am used to tea. I am used to tea. मुझे जवाब चाहिए. I need answer. I need answer. तुम्हारी तबीयत तो ठीक है ना? Are you feeling well? Are you feeling well? एक और हट जाओ. Move aside. Move aside. आज गाड़ी मैं चलाऊंगा. I will drive today. I will drive today. लानत है तुम पे. Damn you. Damn you. उसे इतनी छूट मत दो. Do not give him so much freedom. Do not give him so much freedom. कुछ तो बोलो. Say something. Say something. जो बोलना है बोलो. Say what you want to say. Say what you want to say. कान खोलकर सुन लो. Open your ears and listen. Open your ears and listen. मुझे चैन से जीने दो. Let me live peacefully. Let me live peacefully. वह तुम्हारे लिए पागल है. He is crazy for you. He is crazy for you. मुझे कभी मौका ही नहीं मिला. I never got the chance. I never got the chance. अपना गुस्सा थूक दो. Spit out your anger. Spit out your anger. आप मुझे कैसे जानते हो? How do you know me? How do you know me? उसे समझाना बेकार है. It's useless to explain him. It's useless to explain him. तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? तुम्हें एक बात बोलूं? Can I tell you one thing? Can I tell you one thing? तुम खुद को क्या समझते हो? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? दिल लगाकर काम करो. Work wholeheartedly. Work wholeheartedly. तुम मेरा पीछा कर रहे थे? You were following me? You were following me? कल किसने देखा है? Who has seen tomorrow? Who has seen tomorrow? क्या आप मुझे नमक दे सकते हैं? Can you pass the salt? Can you pass the salt? मुझे कपड़े धोने हैं. I need to do the laundry. I need to do the laundry. तुम अभी भी नींद में हो? Are you still sleepy? Are you still sleepy? बाथरूम ऊपर है. The bathroom is upstairs. The bathroom is upstairs. यह मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. This is a big deal for me. This is a big deal for me. पर्दे की छड़ें लगा दो. Install the curtain rods. Install the curtain rods. थोड़ी शर्म कर लो. Have some shame. Have some shame. मैं फ्रीज को साफ करने जा रही हूँ. I am going to clean the refrigerator. I am going to clean the refrigerator. वो अजीब बातें करता है. He talks strange things. He talks strange things. कृपया टपकती छत की मरम्मत करें. Repair the leaky roof, please. Repair the leaky roof, please. सच्चाई हमेशा कड़वी होती है. Truth is always bitter. Truth is always bitter. तुम कितने सुस्त हो. You are so dull. You are so dull. बस थोड़ी देर और. Just a little more. Just a little more. यह बैग बहुत भारी है. This bag is very heavy. This bag is very heavy. मेरा मन बेचैन है. My mind is restless. My mind is restless. तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? मन तो करता है सिर पटक लूं. I want to bang my head. I want to bang my head. तुम इसी लायक हो. You deserve it. You deserve it. मुझे अपना समझो. Consider me yours. Consider me yours. क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? अपनी औकात में रहो. Stay in your limits. Stay in your limits. जरूर कोई बात है. It's definitely something. It's definitely something. तुम्हें एक बार में समझ नहीं आता. Don't you understand at once? Don't you understand at once? क्या आप मुझ पर भरोसा नहीं करते? Don't you trust on me? Don't you trust on me? क्यों? क्या हुआ? Why? What's wrong? Why? What's wrong? उनकी आपस में नहीं बनती. They are not on good terms. They are not on good terms. पार्टी खत्म हो गई है. Party is over. Party is over. क्या हुआ? What's wrong? What's wrong? तुम इतने चुपचाप क्यों हो? Why are you so quiet? Why are you so quiet? अपना मूड ठीक करो. Set your mood. Set your mood. ऐसा कहने की तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you say that? How dare you say that? पैर घसीट कर मत चलो. Don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. भगवान आपका भला करे. May God bless you. May God bless you. ये हुई ना बात. That's the way. That's the way. एक भी शब्द न बोले. Don't say a single word. Don't say a single word. घाव काफी गहरा है. The wound is quite deep. The wound is quite deep. मुझे किसी की मदद नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anyone's help. I don't want anyone's help. मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. वह तुम्हारे जैसी दिखती है. She looks like you. She looks like you. मैं इसे बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकती. I can't tolerate this. I can't tolerate this. यह आपके लिए अच्छा होगा. It will be better for you. It will be better for you. उस पर विश्वास मत करो. Don't trust him. Don't trust him. मुझे समझ आ रहा है. I am getting it. I am getting it. मैंने तुमसे कितनी बार कहा? How many times I have told you? How many times I have told you? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. I don't understand. I don't understand. मेरा विश्वास करो, बिलीव मी। बिलीव मी। मुझे वापस कॉल करना, कॉल मी बैक। कॉल मी बैक। मुझे देखने दो, लेट मी सी। लेट मी सी। मूर्ख मत बनो, डोंट बी सिली। डोंट बी सिली। बहुत देर हो चुकी है। इट्स टू लेट। इट्स टू लेट। क्या बेवकूफी है। हाउ स्टूपिड। हाउ स्टूपिड। शांति बनाए रखें। कीप काम। कीप काम। मुझे यह पसंद है। आई लव इट। आई लव इट। मुझे यह मुश्किल लगता है। आई फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट। आई फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट। मैं डरा हुआ हूं। आई एम स्कैर्ड। आई एम स्कैर्ड। क्या यह अच्छा है। इज इट गुड। इज इट गुड। क्या यह तुम्हारा है। इज इट योर्स। इज इट योर्स। क्या तुम पागल हो। आर यू मैड। आर यू मैड। यह साफ है। दैट्स नीट। दैट्स नीट। इसे रुमाल से पोंछ लो। वाइप इट विद द हैंकी। वाइप इट विद द हैंकी। इसमें हंसने वाली कौन सी बात है। What's so funny in it? What's so funny in it? मुझे गलत मत समझना, Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. वो भरोसेमंद नहीं है, He is not reliable. He is not reliable. सुनो, एक काम करो, Listen, do one thing. Listen. Do one thing. कभी कभी झूठ बोलना पड़ता है, Sometimes we have to speak lie. Sometimes we have to speak lie. इसका लॉक कैसे खुलता है। How to open its lock? How to open its lock? परेशान लग रहे हो, क्या हुआ। What happened? You look disturbed. What happened? You look disturbed. यार, मुझे जॉब की सख्त जरूरत है, buddy, I badly need a job. Buddy, I badly need a job. आजकल जॉब मिलना थोड़ा कठिन है, getting a job is little difficult nowadays. Getting a job is little difficult nowadays. मुझे तुम्हारी हमदर्दी की जरूरत नहीं है. I don't need your sympathy. I don't need your sympathy. मैं सुबह 5 बजे उठता हूँ. I wake up at 5 o'clock. I wake up at 5 o'clock. मैं अंग्रेजी सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning English. I am learning English. मैं प्रतिदिन ऑफिस जाता हूँ. I go to the office every day. I go to the office every day. मुझे टीवी देखना बहुत पसंद है. I love to watch TV. I love to watch TV. तुम इतना क्यों शर्माते हो? Why are you so shy? Why are you so shy? वैसे, अभी आप क्या करते हैं? By the way, what are you doing right now? By the way, what are you doing right now? अभी तो बस शुरुआत है. It's just beginning. It's just beginning. आपने सारी हदें पार कर दी. You have crossed all limits. You have crossed all limits. अपने बालों में कंघी करो, comb your hair. Comb your hair. मैं तुम्हारे घर आऊंगा. I will come to your house. I will come to your house. वह निकम्मा है. He is good for nothing. He is good for nothing. उसके लिए इंतजार करो. Wait for him. Wait for him. अपना मोबाइल चार्ज कर लो. Charge your mobile. Charge your mobile. यहाँ पर एक कील लगा दो. Hammer a nail here. Hammer a nail here. मैं इस कील पर अपनी फोटो लटकाऊंगा. I will hang my photograph on this nail. I will hang my photograph on this nail. मैं सो नहीं सकता. I can't sleep. I can't sleep. उसे अंदर लाओ. Bring him in. Bring him in. मैं भाग लूंगा. I will participate. I will participate. इस पुस्तक को पढ़ने में मुझे 2 दिन लगे। It took me 2 days to read the book. It took me 2 days to read the book. मैं हिल नहीं सकता। I can't move. I can't move. बिजली चली गई है। The power has gone off. The power has gone off. मेरी बात सुनो। Listen to me. Listen to me. मैं बस आ रहा हूँ। I am just coming. I am just coming. मुझे इसमें मत घसीटो। Don't drag me into this. Don't drag me into this. मेरा सिर मत खाओ। Don't nag me. Don't nag me. तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया। You did very well. You did very well. हर तरह से। By all means. By all means. जाओ और जाकर वहां खड़े हो जाओ। Go and stand there. Go and stand there. मेरी राय में। In my opinion. In my opinion. घबराओ मत। Take it easy. Take it easy. मैं जो कहता हूं वो करो। Do what I say. Do what I say. उसकी तरफ देखो। Look at him. Look at him. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ। Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. ऐसा नहीं है। It's not like that. It's not like that. दबे पाँव चलो। Walk on tiptoe. Walk on tiptoe. मुझ पर एहसान मत करो। Don't favor me. Don't favor me. नाखून काटने वाला कहाँ है? Where is the nail cutter? Where is the nail cutter? जहां तक मैं देख सकता हूं। As far as I can see. As far as I can see. मेरा चार्जर नहीं मिल रहा है। I can't find my charger. I can't find my charger. तुम्हारे पास कलम है। You have a pen. You have a pen. जहां तक मेरा संबंध है। As far as I am concerned. As far as I am concerned. मैं ईमानदारी से ऐसा मानता हूं। I honestly believe that. I honestly believe that. जूते पहन लो। Put on the shoes. Put on the shoes. जूते उतार दो। Take off the shoes. Take off the shoes. यदि आप मुझसे पूछते हैं। If you ask me. If you ask me. मैं आपको जानता हूं। I know you. I know you. व्यक्तिगत रूप से मुझे लगता है। यह सही है। Personally, I think it's right. Personally, I think it's right. दिखावा मत करो। Don't pretend. Don't pretend. मेरे अनुभव में। In my experience. In my experience. मैंने देखा है। I observed that. I observed that. उसे अपना निर्णय लेने दो। Let him make his decision. Let him make his decision. अपने पिता को मत सिखाओ। Don't teach your father. Don't teach your father. मैंने एक निर्णय लिया है। I have made a decision. I have made a decision. यह जूता उसी का है। This shoe belongs to him. This shoe belongs to him. मेरा इंतजार करना। Wait for me. Wait for me. मुझे जाने की जरूरत है। I need to go. I need to go. तुम्हें जाने की जरूरत है। You need to go. You need to go. क्या तुम आ सकते हो? Can you come? Can you come? वह जा चुका है। He has gone. He has gone. आप यह कर सकते हैं। You can do it. You can do it. आप मुझे किसी भी समय कॉल कर सकते हैं। You can call me anytime. You can call me anytime. मैं सच में इसकी सराहना करता हूँ। I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. तुम कौन हो? Who are you? Who are you? तुम हंस क्यों रहे हो? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? आपकी उम्र क्या है? How old are you? How old are you? यह सही नहीं है. That's not right. That's not right. उल्टे जवाब मत दो. Don't talk back. Don't talk back. उसे समय लेने दो. Let him take the time. Let him take the time. इसे अपने पास रखो. Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. इसे वापस रखो. Put it back. Put it back. इसे नीचे रखो. Put it down. Put it down. मैंने उसे रख लिया. I kept it. I kept it. मुझसे वहां मिलना. Meet me there. Meet me there. इससे मुक्ति पाओ. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. कृपया सहमत हो. Please agree. Please agree. मुझे वहां पहुंचा दो. Get me there. Get me there. आप कुछ खाते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you eat something? Why don't you eat something? मैं सच कह रहा हूं. I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth. इन दिनों क्या हो रहा है? What's up these days? What's up these days? यहाँ कैसे आना हुआ? How did you come here? How did you come here? मैं आस पास था. I was around. I was around. आप खुद को बहुत होशियार समझते हो, है ना? You think yourself to be very clever, don't you? You think yourself to be very clever. Don't you? कहाँ थे इतने दिनों से? Where were you for so many days? Where were you for so many days? आपका घर कहाँ है? Where is your house? Where is your house? मैं मुंबई जाना चाहता हूँ. I want to go to Mumbai. I want to go to Mumbai. क्या आप मुझे कॉल कर सकते हैं? Can you call me? Can you call me? आपका खाना कैसा था? How was your meal? How was your meal? कृपया ध्यान दें. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. मुझे यह नहीं पसंद. I don't like this. I don't like this. क्या आप मेरी और मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me more? Can you help me more? आपके यहाँ रहने के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you for staying here. Thank you for staying here. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? मैं समय पर पहुंच जाऊंगा. I will arrive on time. I will arrive on time. आपकी सलाह के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you for your advice. Thank you for your advice. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I feel cold. I feel cold. आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are you going? Where are you going? मैं आपके पास आऊंगा. I will come to you. I will come to you. क्या यह यहाँ लगा सकते हैं? Can I put it here? Can I put it here? मुझे आपसे मिलना है. I need to meet you. I need to meet you. क्या यह आपकी पसंद है? Is this your favorite? Is this your favorite? मेरे पास वक्त नहीं है. I don't have time. I don't have time. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I am very happy. I am very happy. क्या आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ हैं? Are you with your friends? Are you with your friends? कृपया धैर्य रखें. Please be patient. Please be patient. मैं घर से बाहर जा रहा हूँ. I am going out from home. I am going out from home. क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me? Can you help me? मुझे यह स्थान अच्छा लग रहा है. I like this place. I like this place. आपका खाना कैसा था? How was your meal? How was your meal? कृपया ध्यान दें। प्लीज पे अटेंशन। प्लीज पे अटेंशन। क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? कैन यू हेल्प मी? कैन यू हेल्प मी? क्या यह सही है? इज दिस करेक्ट? इज दिस करेक्ट? मैं समय पर पहुंच जाऊंगा। आई विल अराइव ऑन टाइम। आई विल अराइव ऑन टाइम। मैं यहाँ नया हूँ। आई एम न्यू हियर। आई एम न्यू हियर। आपकी सलाह के लिए धन्यवाद। थैंक यू फॉर योर एडवाइस। थैंक यू फॉर योर एडवाइस। क्या आपका दिन अच्छा था? डिड यू हैव अ गुड डे? डिड यू हैव अ गुड डे? मुझे ठंड लग रही है। आई फील कोल्ड। आई फील कोल्ड। क्या आपके पास समय है? डू यू हैव टाइम? डू यू हैव टाइम? आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? वेयर आर यू गोइंग? वेयर आर यू गोइंग? मुझे आपसे मिलना है। आई नीड टू मीट यू। आई नीड टू मीट यू। क्या यह आपकी पसंद है? इज दिस योर फेवरेट? इज दिस योर फेवरेट? मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। क्या आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ हैं? आर यू विद योर फ्रेंड्स? आर यू विद योर फ्रेंड्स? क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? कैन यू हेल्प मी? कैन यू हेल्प मी? मुझे यह समझ नहीं आ रहा है। आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस। आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस। क्या आपको यह चाहिए? डू यू नीड दिस? डू यू नीड दिस? मुझे यह याद नहीं है। आई डोंट रिमेंबर दिस। आई डोंट रिमेंबर दिस। आपका दिन शुभ हो। हैव अ नाइस डे। हैव अ नाइस डे। अच्छे सपने देखिए। हैव स्वीट ड्रीम्स। हैव स्वीट ड्रीम्स। धूप में रहें। स्टे इन द सन। स्टे इन द सन। वापस आइए। कम बैक। कम बैक। धीरे बोलिए। स्पीक स्लोली। स्पीक स्लोली। कृपया मेरा इंतजार करें। प्लीज वेट फॉर मी। प्लीज वेट फॉर मी। बहुत अच्छा किया। वेल डन। वेल डन। शांत रहिए। स्टे काम। स्टे काम। यहां रुकिए। स्टॉप हियर। स्टॉप हियर। यह गलत है। दिस इज रॉन्ग। दिस इज रॉन्ग। यहां न जाएं। डोंट गो हियर। डोंट गो हियर। अधिक जानकारी चाहिए। नीड मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन। नीड मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन। जल्दी कीजिए। हरी अप। हरी अप। अपना ख्याल रखिए। टेक केयर। टेक केयर। आपको खुश देखकर मुझे अच्छा लगता है। आई फील गुड सीइंग यू हैप्पी। आई फील गुड सीइंग यू हैप्पी। आपको मेरे साथ आना होगा। यू विल हैव टू कम विथ मी। यू विल हैव टू कम विथ मी। मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है। कैन यू हियर माई वॉइस? कैन यू हियर माई वॉइस? कृपया जल्दी बताइए। प्लीज टेल मी क्विकली। प्लीज टेल मी क्विकली। आपका स्वागत है। You're welcome. You're welcome. मैं यहाँ सही हूँ। I am right here. I am right here. क्या यह संभव है? Is it possible? Is it possible? क्या मुझे यहाँ रुकने की अनुमति है? Can I stop here? Can I stop here? यहाँ मेरे पास आइए। Come here to me. Come here to me. मुझे यह पसंद नहीं है। I don't like this. I don't like this. क्या आपके पास समय है? Do you have time? Do you have time? मैं आपको बाद में कॉल करूंगा। I will call you later. I will call you later. मेरी नजरों से दूर हो जाओ। Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. तुम्हारा मतलब क्या है? What do you mean? What do you mean? तुम किस बारे में बात कर रहे हो? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? मेरी चीजों से दूर रहो. Stay away from my stuff. Stay away from my stuff. मैं आज बहुत थका हुआ हूँ. I am dead tired today. I am dead tired today. आपका इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. It is none of your business. It is none of your business. मुझे नहीं पता है. I don't know. I don't know. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. तुम्हारी समस्या क्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? आपकी पसंद और नापसंद क्या है? What are your likes and dislikes? What are your likes and dislikes? असुविधा के लिए खेद है. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? क्या तुम इसमें मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Could you help me with this? Could you help me with this? यह कोई मजाक नहीं है. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? What is happening here? What is happening here? सब कुछ ठीक है. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. क्या तुम्हें मेरी बात समझ आई? Did you get my point? Did you get my point? तुम्हें मुझसे क्या चाहिए? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? तुम कितने साल के हो? How old are you? How old are you? तुम्हारा ऑफिस कहाँ पर है? Where is your address office? Where is your address office? स्कूल जाने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ. Get ready for school. Get ready for school. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगा. Will try my level best. Will try my level best. क्या तुम साथ चल रहे हो? Are you coming along? Are you coming along? तुम मेरी जिम्मेदारी हो. You are my responsibility. You are my responsibility. यह ठीक नहीं है. This is not fair. This is not fair. तुम आज क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing today? What are you doing today? कृपया कुछ बोलिए. Please say something. Please say something. मैं फिर से आऊंगा. I will come again. I will come again. तुम क्या लेना पसंद करोगे? What would you like to have? What would you like to have? आमंत्रित करने के लिए शुक्रिया. Thank you for inviting. Thank you for inviting. सलाह के लिए शुक्रिया. Thank you for the advice. Thank you for the advice. ये दिन आपकी जिंदगी में बार बार आए. Many happy returns of the day. Many happy returns of the day. कृपया बैठे रहिए. Please stay seated. Please stay seated. तुम कब पहुंचोगे? When will you reach? When will you reach? तुम्हारा दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? अपना पता बताओ. Tell me your address. Tell me your address. नहीं, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. No, I don't want. No, I don't want. अजीब बात है. It's strange. It's strange. आपको टोकने के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ. I am sorry to interrupt you. I am sorry to interrupt you. क्या तुम उधर जाओगे या मैं जाऊं? Will you go there, or shall I? Will you go there, or shall I? मैं शहर कैसे जा सकता हूँ? How can I go to the city? How can I go to the city? मुझ पर एक एहसान कर दो. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. आवाज बढ़ा दो. Turn the volume up. Turn the volume up. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Not the least. Not the least. आपकी बहुत मेहरबानी है. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. तुम बहुत तेज गाड़ी चला रहे हो. You are driving too fast. You are driving too fast. अच्छा दिन है. It's a lovely day. It's a lovely day. क्या मैं बाहर जा सकता हूँ? May I go out, please? May I go out, please? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? क्या मैं टॉयलेट जा सकता हूँ? May I go to the toilet? May I go to the toilet? मैंने अपना होमवर्क नहीं किया है. I haven't done my homework. I haven't done my homework. देर से आने के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ. Sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. तुम उससे निपट नहीं पाओगे. You will not be able to deal with him. You will not be able to deal with him. मेरे पास बात करने के लिए बहुत कुछ है. I have a lot to talk about. I have a lot to talk about. जितना हो सके जल्दी आओ. Come as soon as possible. Come as soon as possible. क्या कोई आया है? Has someone come? Has someone come? क्या तुम जाओगे? Will you go? Will you go? शांत हो जाओ. Calm down. Calm down. मुझे पढ़ना है. I have to study. I have to study. आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? यह तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है. It is not for you. It is not for you. देर हो रही है. It's getting late. It's getting late. मेरे पास एक कार है. I have a car. I have a car. मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूंगा. I will help you. I will help you. आपको क्या पसंद है? What do you like? What do you like? मुझे आपकी मदद चाहिए. I need your help. I need your help. हम कहाँ मिलेंगे? Where will we meet? Where will we meet? यह बहुत कीमती है. It is very expensive. It is very expensive. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मैं जाने ही वाला था. I was about to go. I was about to go. मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता. I still don't know. I still don't know. तुम्हें देर क्यों हुई? Why are you late? Why are you late? वह उसे जानता है. He knows him. He knows him. मैं बाजार जा रहा था. I was going to market. I was going to market. वह इसे खरीद सकता है. He can buy it. He can buy it. वह बहुत बोलती है. She talks a lot. She talks a lot. पापा घर पर नहीं है. Papa is not at home. Papa is not at home. यह सच नहीं हो सकता है. It cannot be true. It cannot be true. मेरे पास कार नहीं है. I don't have a car. I don't have a car. मैं नहीं जा सका. I couldn't go. I couldn't go. क्या उसका तबीयत खराब है? Is he sick? Is he sick? क्या तुम आ सकते हो? Can you come? Can you come? भगवान की कृपा से. By God's grace. By God's grace. बस बहुत हो गया. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. तुम्हारा मूड खराब है. Are you in a bad mood? Are you in a bad mood? मैं उसे सबक सिखाऊंगी. I will teach him a lesson. I will teach him a lesson. वह तो बस अपने मन की करता है. He just does his mind. He just does his mind. तुम बेकार में परेशान होते हो. You are unnecessarily upset. You are unnecessarily upset. भगवान की कृपा से मुझे काम मिल गया. By God's grace, I got the job. By God's grace, I got the job. कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं है. No need to say anything. No need to say anything. मैं आपको जाने नहीं दूंगी. I will not let you go. I will not let you go. आप बहुत मजाकिया हो. You are so funny. You are so funny. आपको क्या खाना पसंद है? What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? मैं यहाँ कहाँ बैठ सकती हूँ? Where can I sit here? Where can I sit here? क्या आपका कोई प्रश्न है? Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? यह मुझे बहुत पसंद है. I really like this. I really like this. आप बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. You work very hard. You work very hard. आप यहाँ पर कितने समय से हैं? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? इसके लिए उसे मनाओ. Convince him for it. Convince him for it. क्या तुम मुझे जगा दोगे? Will you wake me up? Will you wake me up? मेरा फोन बज रहा है. My phone is ringing. My phone is ringing. कौन बोल रहा है? Who is speaking? Who is speaking? इतना भाव क्यों खाते हो? Why do you act so pricey? Why do you act so pricey? तुम तमाशा क्यों कर रही हो? Why are you creating the scene? Why are you creating the scene? यह कब हुआ? When did it happen? When did it happen? जो हो गया सो हो गया. Let bygones be bygones. Let bygones be bygones. आपका ध्यान कहाँ है? Where is your attention? Where is your attention? मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't offend me. Don't offend me. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. अपने काम से काम रखो. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. मेरे मामलों में घुसने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't try to meddle in my affairs. Don't try to meddle in my affairs. कहाँ खोए हुए हो? Where are you lost? Where are you lost? उन दोनों की जल्दी ही शादी होने वाली है. They are the soon to wed couple. They are the soon to wed couple. क्या आपने अपनी दवाई ली? Have you taken your medicine? Have you taken your medicine? स्वाद कैसा है? How does it taste? How does it taste? बाहर जाने का रास्ता इस तरफ से है. The exit door is this way. The exit door is this way. देर से आने के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ. Sorry for being late. Sorry for being late. क्या आपको सुनाई दे रहा है? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? हाँ, मैं आपको सुन सकता हूँ. Yes, I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you. मुझे यहाँ से बाहर निकालो. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. तुम अब कोई बच्चे नहीं रहे. You are not a child anymore. You are not a child anymore. बड़ों जैसा व्यवहार करो. Behave like a grown up. Behave like a grown up. मुझे घबराहट हो रही है. I am so nervous. I am so nervous. मेरा दिमाग खराब मत करो. Do not disturb my mind. Do not disturb my mind. अपना सामान बांध लो. Pack your bag. Pack your bag. वह बहुत भोली है. She is very innocent. She is very innocent. वह बहुत तेज है. He is very fast. He is very fast. मैं अक्सर वहां जाता हूँ. I go there often. I go there often. मैंने एक बार फिर सोचा. I thought once again. I thought once again. उन्होंने काफी मेहनत की है. They have worked hard. They have worked hard. मैं कल से काम करूंगा. I will work from tomorrow. I will work from tomorrow. बात को बढ़ाए नहीं. Don't stretch the matter. Don't stretch the matter. रोना बंद करो. Stop crying. Stop crying. आप भी बोल सकते हो. You can also speak. You can also speak. क्या कोई परेशानी है? Is there any problem? Is there any problem? तुम बहुत बोलते हो. You speak a lot. You speak a lot. आप क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? क्या कोई आया है? Has someone come? Has someone come? क्या आपने खाना खा लिया है? Have you had your meals? Have you had your meals? कितना बजा है? What is the time? What is the time? मैं हूँ. It's me. It's me. इससे मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me. मेरे लिए एक कप कॉफी लाओ. Bring me a cup of coffee. Bring me a cup of coffee. तुमने तो कुछ खाया ही नहीं. You hardly eat anything. You hardly eat anything. थोड़ी देर में आ जाऊंगा. I will come in a while. I will come in a while. आप क्या खाना पसंद करेंगे? What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? मेरे घर में हर एक बीमार है. Everyone in my house is ill. Everyone in my house is ill. मेहमानों को अंदर ले आओ. Bring the guests in. Bring the guests in. उसे कुछ नहीं आता. He doesn't know anything. He doesn't know anything. क्या आपको विश्वास नहीं है? Don't you believe it? Don't you believe it? यह सुनी सुनाई बात है. It's only hearsay. It's only hearsay. मैं नहीं आ सकूंगा. I will not be able to come. I will not be able to come. मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठा देना. Wake me up early in the morning. Wake me up early in the morning. कभी उधार पर मत खरीदो. Never buy on credit. Never buy on credit. यह सब तुम्हारे कारण हुआ है. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. बेकार मत बैठो. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. नरमी से बात करो. Be polite. Be polite. तुम्हें किस बात की चिंता है? What's bothering you? What's bothering you? आपने मुझे जगाया क्यों नहीं? Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up? बच्चे को सुला दो. Put the child to sleep. Put the child to sleep. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. It's impossible. It's impossible. यह अनजाने में हुआ था. It was done unknowingly. It was done unknowingly. मेरा हिसाब चुका दो. Clear my account. Clear my account. वहाँ कौन है? Who is there? Who is there? मैंने खाना खा लिया है. I have had my meals. I have had my meals. मुझे लगता है कि हम पहले भी मिल चुके हैं. I think we have met before. I think we have met before. उसने अपने जीवन में कई उतार चढ़ाव देखे हैं. He has seen many ups and downs in his life. He has seen many ups and downs in his life. तुम्हारा कोई मुकाबला नहीं है. You have no match. You have no match. कोई आपका इंतजार कर रहा है. Somebody is waiting for you. Somebody is waiting for you. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything. I don't want anything. क्या तुम्हें मुझसे कुछ काम है? Do you have any business with me? Do you have any business with me? मैं ऐसा वैसा कुछ नहीं करूँगा. I will do nothing of the sort. I will do nothing of the sort. वह हमेशा जल्दी में दिखती है. She always seems in a hurry. She always seems in a hurry. मैंने अभी तक नहीं खाया है. I haven't eaten yet. I haven't eaten yet. आजकल वह बहुत व्यस्त दिखता है. Nowadays he looks very busy. Nowadays he looks very busy. मुझे पता है कि वह चीज़ क्या है. I know what that is. I know what that is. मैं खुद को भाग्यशाली समझता हूँ. I consider myself lucky. I consider myself lucky. मैंने तुम्हें बताने की कोशिश की थी. I tried to tell you. I tried to tell you. सुबह जल्दी उठा करो. Wake up early in the morning. Wake up early in the morning. मैं उससे शादी करना चाहता हूँ. I want to marry her. I want to marry her. तुम कितनी देर बाथरूम में रहने वाले हो? How long are you going to be in the bathroom? How long are you going to be in the bathroom? मैं चाहता था कि वह जीत जाए. I wanted her to win. I wanted her to win. वह अपनी माँ के जैसी दिखती है. She looks like her mother. She looks like her mother. मैं उससे मिलना चाहता हूँ. I would like to meet her. I would like to meet her. उसका चेहरा उसकी माँ से मिलता है. She resembles her mother. She resembles her mother. अब हमें कुछ न कुछ करना ही चाहिए. We must do something now. We must do something now. आज बहुत गर्मी है. It is very hot today. It is very hot today. तुम्हें 1 घंटा इंतजार करना पड़ेगा. You will have to wait for an hour. You will have to wait for an hour. मेरी घड़ी बंद हो गई है. My watch has stopped. My watch has stopped. तुम्हें जल्दी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You need not hurry. You need not hurry. आमदनी से ज्यादा खर्च मत करो. Don't spend more than your earnings. Don't spend more than your earnings. क्या हुआ जरा मुझे बताओ. Tell me what happened. Tell me what happened. यह किसका फोन नंबर है? Whose phone number is this? Whose phone number is this? समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. वहां पहुंचते ही मुझे कॉल करना. Do ring me as soon as you get there. Do ring me as soon as you get there. आदमी पेट का गुलाम है. Man is a slave to his stomach. Man is a slave to his stomach. बहुत ठंड है. It's too cold. It's too cold. क्या मैं खिड़की बंद कर दूं? Should I close the window? Should I close the window? कमरे में सन्नाटा छाया हुआ है. There is pin drop silence in the room. There is pin drop silence in the room. तुम्हें परीक्षा में कितने अंक मिले? What marks did you get in the examination? What marks did you get in the examination? मैं 10 बजे वापस आऊंगा. I will be back at 10. I will be back at 10. यह कौन है? Who is he? Who is he? बाजार से सब्जी ले आओ. Get some vegetables from the market. Get some vegetables from the market. मैं दूध लाऊंगा. I will bring the milk. I will bring the milk. मुंबई जाने वाली 5 बजे की ट्रेन रद्द हो गई है. The 5 o'clock train to Mumbai has been cancelled. The 5 o'clock train to Mumbai has been cancelled. मैंने फोन कर लिया है. I have already called. I have already called. समय के पाबंद बनो. Be punctual. Be punctual. मेरी टिकट खो गई है. I have lost my ticket. I have lost my ticket. यह जूते 3 साल से भी ज्यादा टिकेंगे. These shoes will last for more than 3 years. These shoes will last for more than 3 years. मेरे पैसे चोरी हो गए. My money was stolen. My money was stolen. एक कप चाय बना दो. Make me a cup of tea. Make me a cup of tea. उसको खुश करना बहुत मुश्किल है. He is hard to please. He is hard to please. कल रात मुंबई में बहुत बारिश हुई. A lot of rain fell in Mumbai last night. A lot of rain fell in Mumbai last night. मैं सुबह टहलने जाता हूँ. I go for a walk in the morning. I go for a walk in the morning. क्या खाना तैयार है? Is the food ready? Is the food ready? कहाँ हो तुम? Where are you? Where are you? मैं तुम्हें हफ्ते भर से ढूंढ रहा हूँ. I have been looking for you all week. I have been looking for you all week. मेरी बुआ जी मेरे लिए फूल लाई है. My aunt brought me flowers. My aunt brought me flowers. यह पानी पीने लायक नहीं है. This water is not drinkable. This water is not drinkable. हमें अपना वादा निभाना चाहिए. We should keep our promise. We should keep our promise. तुम मेरी बात क्यों नहीं सुनते? Why don't you listen to me? Why don't you listen to me? मैं जाने ही वाला था. I was about to go. I was about to go. वो मुझसे काम करवाती है. She makes me work. She makes me work. कपड़े सुखा दो. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. आलू छील दो. Peel off the potatoes. Peel off the potatoes. Station पास में ही है. Station is nearby. Station is nearby. उनकी ट्रेन छूट गई है. They missed the train. They missed the train. टेबल से कप हटा लो. Move the cup off the table. Move the cup off the table. कितनी ठंडी रात है यह. What a cold night it is. What a cold night it is. भूलना मत. Don't forget. Don't forget. पंखा चालू कर दो. Switch on the fan. Switch on the fan. पंखा बंद कर दो. Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. मैं इस योजना से सहमत हूँ. I agree to this plan. I agree to this plan. क्या आप मुझसे क्रोधित हैं? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? उगते सूरज को सब नमस्कार करते हैं. All worship the rising sun. All worship the rising sun. तुम मुझे उससे लड़वा रहे हो. You are making me fight him. You are making me fight him. वो मुझसे लिखवाता है. He makes me write. He makes me write. कल रात थोड़ी थोड़ी वर्षा होती रही. It kept drizzling throughout the night. It kept drizzling throughout the night. मैं आज परेशान हूँ. I am upset today. I am upset today. उसे दिल की बीमारी है. He has heart trouble. He has heart trouble. मैं बैर नहीं पालता. I don't hold grudges. I don't hold grudges. मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा. I will have to think. I will have to think. मैं उसकी मदद करूंगा. I will help him. I will help him. क्या अब हम निकलें? Should we leave now? Should we leave now? मैं अंग्रेजी कब बोल सकूंगा? When will I be able to speak in English? When will I be able to speak in English? कुर्सी पर से पैर हटाओ. Take your foot off the chair. Take your foot off the chair. मुझे उसके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं मालूम. I know nothing about him. I know nothing about him. तुम्हारे दुश्मन को कभी कम मत समझना. Never underestimate your enemy. Never underestimate your enemy. क्या तुम्हें यह अच्छा नहीं लगा? Didn't you like this? Didn't you like this? कितने आलसी लड़के हो तुम. What a lazy boy you are. What a lazy boy you are. अभी इंतजार करने का कोई मतलब नहीं है। There is no sense in waiting now. There is no sense in waiting now. चाकू लेकर यहाँ वहाँ मत घूमो। Don't mess around with that knife. Don't mess around with that knife. मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। I have no objection. I have no objection. उसने मेरी नाक में दम कर रखा है। He has got on my nerves. He has got on my nerves. कोई गलती हुई हो तो माफ करना। Excuse me, if there has been any mistake. Excuse me. If there has been any mistake. वह अब तक घर पहुंच गया होगा। He will have reached home by now. He will have reached home by now. कृपया पर्दा लगा दो। Please draw the curtain. Please draw the curtain. तुम्हारी आवाज को क्या हुआ? What happened to your voice? What happened to your voice? ये आम पक्के हुए नहीं हैं। These mangoes are not ripe. These mangoes are not ripe. अंधेरा हो रहा है। It is darkening. It is darkening. वह गहरी नींद में सोया हुआ है। He is sound asleep. He is sound asleep. मुझसे यह गांठ नहीं खुल रही है। I cannot untie this knot. I cannot untie this knot. मैं स्टेशन से मेरी माँ को लेने जा रहा हूँ। I am going to fetch my mother from the station. I am going to fetch my mother from the station. उसने मुझे अच्छी सलाह दी। He gave me a good piece of advice. He gave me a good piece of advice. पैसे पेड़ पर नहीं उगते हैं। Money does not grow on the trees. Money does not grow on the trees. एक दो दिन में बुखार उतर जाएगा। In a day or two, the fever will go down. In a day or two, the fever will go down. दीपावली साल में एक बार आती है। दीपावली comes once a year. दीपावली comes once a year. मुझे मेरी घड़ी बदलवानी है। I have to get my watch changed. I have to get my watch changed. वहाँ बारिश में मत खड़े रहो। यहाँ अंदर आ जाओ। Don't stand out there in the rain. Come in here. Don't stand out there in the rain. Come in here. लंबी बीमारी के बाद कल उसका निधन हो गया। He died yesterday after a long illness. He died yesterday after a long illness. टीवी कल तो ठीक चल रहा था। The TV functioning normally until yesterday. The TV functioning normally until yesterday. पार्टी में तुम कौन सी ड्रेस पहनोगे? Which you will be wearing to the party? Which you will be wearing to the party? मुझे टेबल के नीचे एक 500 रुपए का नोट मिला है। I have found a 500 rupee note under the table. I have found a 500 rupee note under the table. वो किस बात पर झगड़ रहे थे? What were they quarreling about? What were they quarreling about? मैंने कार में 500 रुपए का पेट्रोल डाला है। I have put 500 rupees worth of petrol into the car. I have put 500 rupees worth of petrol into the car. मैं सुबह से उसका इंतजार कर रहा हूँ। I have been waiting for him since morning. I have been waiting for him since morning. वह अभी तक नहीं आया है। He has not come yet. He has not come yet. यह मुझ पर छोड़ दो। Leave it on me. Leave it on me. क्या आप मेरी टिकट लेने तक थोड़ी देर मेरे थैले पर नजर रखेंगे? Could you mind my bag for a moment while I get the ticket? Could you mind my bag for a moment while I get the ticket? वह एक दो दिनों में ठीक हो जाएगा। He will get better in a couple of days. He will get better in a couple of days. कृपया स्टेशन का रास्ता दिखाएंगे? Could you show me the way to station please? Could you show me the way to station please? मेरी अंग्रेजी इस चैनल से बहुत सुधार गई है। My English has improved greatly by this channel. My English has improved greatly by this channel. उसकी हालत बुरी है। He is in poor health. He is in poor health. उसने पैसों के लिए शादी की. He married for money. He married for money. वह कामयाब होना चाहता था. He wanted to succeed. He wanted to succeed.